The first element is line. A line is the most basic element of art. It is created when a point moves through space. Lines can vary in width, length, and direction. Some common types of lines include horizontal, vertical, diagonal, curve, and jog lines. Artists use these lines to create outlines, guide the viewer's eyes, or show emotion or movement.
The second element is shape.
The second element is shape. A shape is created when lines connect and enclose a space. Shapes are two-dimensional, meaning they have only height and width. There are two main types: geometric shapes such as circle, squares, and triangles, and organic shapes, which are irregular and often found in nature like leaves and clouds.
And the third element is color.
The third element is color. Color appears when light reflects from an object to our eyes. It has three important properties. Hue, which is the name of color such as red or blue. Value, which refers to how light or dark the color is. And intensity, which refers to how bright or dull the color appears.
The fourth element is value. The fourth element is value. Value refers to the lightness or darkness of a color. It helps artists create depth and the illusion of three-dimensional form on a flat surface. When white is added to a color, it is called tint, and when black is added, it is called a shade.
The fifth element is texture.
The fifth element is texture. Texture is described as the surface quality of an artwork. It may be actual texture, which can be physically felt like rough paint or sculpture, or implied texture, which only gives the illusion of texture in drawings or paintings.
The sixth element is form.
The sixth element is form. Form refers to three-dimensional objects that have height, width, and depth. Examples include spheres, cubes, pyramids, and the human body. In drawings or paintings, artists use shading and perspective to create the illusion of form.
The seventh element is space.
The seventh element is space. Space refers to the area within, around, above, or below objects in an artwork. It includes positive space, which is the area occupied by the main subject, and negative space, which is the empty space around it. Artists also use perspective techniques to create the illusion of depth. Another important concept in visual arts is planes and perspectives. A plane is a flat two-dimensional surface where artists use planes to break down complex objects into simpler flat surfaces. By shading these planes differently, artists can make objects appear more solid and three-dimensional. The second one is the perspective. On the other hand, it's a technique used to create the illusion of distance and depth in a drawing or painting. There are two common types of perspective. First is linear perspective, where lines meet in a vanishing point to make objects appear smaller as they move farther away. Second is the atmospheric perspective, where distant objects appear lighter, blurrer, and slightly bluish, just like how we see objects far away in real life.
Aside from visual arts, meron din tayong auditory arts. Auditory art uses sound as its medium. Unlike visual art, which we'll see all at once, music exists through time and unfolds from beginning to end while we listen to it.
Nariyan ka pa ba? Hindi ka na matanaw.
Music is created through several important elements. The first element is pitch, which refers to the high or low of sounds. When different pitches are arranged in a sequence, they are created a melody, which is the tune of a song. The second element is rhythm, which refers to the pattern of sound and silence in music. Rhythm includes the beat, the tempo, which is the speed of the beat, and the meter, which is how beats are grouped. Another element is dynamics, which refers to the volume of sound. In music, piano means soft, forte means loud, and crescendo means gradually getting louder. Another element is timbre, also called tone color. This refers to the unique quality of sound that makes each instrument sound different even if they play the same note. The next is texture, which refers to how different musical parts are combined. Music can be monophonic, which has only one melody, homophonic, which has melody with accompaniment, or polyphonic, which has multiple melodies happening at the same time. The next element is harmony, which occur when two or more pitches are played together. Some harmonies sound pleasant, called consonance, while others sound tense, called dissonance. Lastly, there is form, which refers to the structure of musical piece, such as verse, chorus, form, or ABA structure.
In conclusion, visual arts and auditory arts are powerful forms of creative expressions that allow artists to communicate ideas, emotion, and experiences.
By understanding the principle and elements of art, we can better appreciate how artworks are created and why they are effective.
At the same time, modern approaches as hybrid art shows that art continues to evolve by combining different disciplines and technologies.